Hello, Lord of the Rings Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers. The Middle-earth Collector, Alfred Price here. Welcome back to another video. Today I have some more mini epics I'd like to show you. And it is of Arwen, Eowyn, and Radagast. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. And I'm going to show you Arwen first. And I'll show you the art box here first. And then we will unbox it. These mini epics are pretty cool. And let's unbox Arwen here. So here is Arwen out of the box. She is such a cool piece. This is one of the more intricate ones of these mini epics. Very, very cool. Let me just show you here. I think she's wearing gloves there. I don't know if she wears gloves or not, but I think it's just part of the outfit wearing gloves. And then here you can see her holding Hadafang. Sword passed down by her dad, Elrond. So cool. Like her profile. Even her hair. Nice flowy, wavy hair there. And her belt. And look at the profile, guys. So cool. You can see she has, yeah, I think that's part of her outfit, and the gloves. So cool with the Hadafang. Very nice portrait. And that's Arwen. Now let's unbox Eowyn. Again with the art box. Same thing, pretty much the same thing there. And here's Eowyn out of the box here. Good profile. Love her sword. That's very, very cool. And then I love this chainmail that she's wearing here. That's really, really cool. Her profile pic. Totally looks like Eowyn. And this is what I find really cool, is her scabbard. That's pretty cool. And then her hair. Her cloak. This one I really like too. I really like the armor on this. Her outfit. Look at that chainmail. Dang, that's nice. Really, really cool piece. And that is Eowyn. Now let's unbox Radagast. And here is Radagast. And oh my god, guys. This is a very cool mini epic they have done. And be careful, he is top heavy. He's really heavy for a mini epic. I love how they have Sebastian in his hand. That is really, really cool. And then he has a bird on top. I love this mini epic. This is really, really cool. And then his staff. That's a cool staff. And I love his outfit. But I really like this Sebastian. He is so cute. Look at him. Such a cute little... I like Sebastian in the movies. And just his outfit is pretty cool. Just like so basic, but just so prominent. And his wizard's hat, all his robes. This is a real cool piece. Like all the additions that they put on. I like his profile, his expression. I like that little bird. So cool. So freaking cute. There, close up of his staff. And his outfit. The bird. That is cool. And then there's Sebastian. You can see it's weathered. He's been running through the mud, looking for Gandalf or whoever. Yeah, this is such a cool piece. Oh, you can see the where the bird pooped on his head. That's so funny. I like his expression here. And that's Radagast. Such a cool piece. Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys thought of these mini epics. Like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you in the next video.